channel. I'm Vidhi and today I'm going to show you guys 5 very easy to put together and comfortable date looks. But before that, I really want to talk to you about how I started this YouTube channel. This is my first video and it took me a long time to get here. So thank you so much for tuning in first of all. And before we get into the looks, I really want you guys to please stick around till the end because I have a very special little surprise for you which I'm gonna talk about towards the end of the video. So please keep on watching and let's get started. So this is the first look. This is my one of the favorite dresses that I actually own. I bought this dress from Westside. It's from a brand called Honey. I'm gonna link down all the details on the description box if you want to check that out. It's a very nice and comfortable dress. It's very comfortable, believe me. It also very well fitted. It gives my body a very good shape. It has a lot of room in it, so you can actually move around very easily. Not like one of the bodycon dresses where you just need to jiggy or shimmy yourself into it. So also you can actually eat food. You don't have to suck in your stomach all the time. It has a lot of room, so you can actually order food when you're on a date. You can order apart from salad and appetizer, and you don't have to suck in your stomach. So it's a perfect date night outfit. It is especially very good option for a first date. It's a good option for all the dates, but it's a good option for a first date because I feel a first date can be very intimidating and it is very unpredictable. You never know. You know, it's like a box of chocolate. You never know what you get. So it is a good option because in case the date is going well and you end up spending so much time together, then you can easily be there and, you know, without breaking any sweat, you can be easy breezy and chic. And also in case it's not going well, so you can quickly make your way out. It doesn't restrict your body. You can walk quickly out of there and save yourself. I have paired this dress with the white platform sneakers. Well, sneakers already have very casual quotient to it, so it actually adds to the dress because we are not going for the over the top dressy look. It's a very effortless look where it is like I just woke up like this. I don't wake up like this, but it's a very chic, casual, effortless look. And the platforms also gives you a little bit of height, which is always good. The white in the shoes and the dress actually ties together, so it looks like a one whole outfit, not something that you mix and matched. I've also paired this outfit with very simple silver hoop earrings. Hoop earrings are like a staple for accessories and I feel it's very easy on ears. It doesn't cost much. Actually, it's one of the best part. It's like very cheap and it's very easy on ears. It's very lightweight and without actually putting a lot of effort to it, you get a very soft feminine look and it goes with almost everything, so everybody should have this. Sucker for hoop earrings. Actually, I have like so many hoop earrings. I'm like a hoarder who just randomly buys circles for ears, and it also make a conversation that somebody. There are a lot of my friends who says, "Oh, तुमने चूड़ी कानों में पहन ली है." So yeah. And this is one of the most comfortable looks that you can go for. It's a right length also, so you don't actually have to worry about flashing your butt or your below the waist area, so it's a perfect option. So this is another look. It's my version of a little black dress. It's an A-line skirt and a crop top. It's a great substitute for a little black dress because it doesn't restrict your body movement. You can easily move around, and all bodycon dresses actually doesn't suit all body types, but this actually hugs your body in a right way and give that illusion of an hourglass figure, which apparently we all want. So it's a great option for a comfortable night. If you're going somewhere where you might be dancing or there's a long stools that you have to sit on, so it's a great option to be comfortable and still be very fashionable. This outfit can actually look good on everyone. Black is a very flattering color on all skin tones, and this skirt has this slit and you can work that Angelina Jolie leg magic out there if you want. It's a great option for a date night. I have paired this with a gold statement jewelry because black and gold complements each other very well. And if you like me, who is socially awkward and may experience some degree of social anxiety, so for me it's very important at the same time to feel comfortable and fashionable. So it's a great option for everybody. And I also believe that fashion and comfort are not mutually exclusive. You can look very chic and fashionable and still feel comfortable. So this is a great option. I'm gonna link down all the details for this outfit. This actually, I bought this from Sarojini Nagar. This crop top is I think was for 250 bucks, and this skirt is from a brand called Candies. And I've also left this beautiful neckline very clean. It actually draws attention to my collarbone and leaves enough room for imagination, which is really good. Imagination is a great brain exercise, so you go ladies, leave some room for imagination. I'm wearing white sandals with it. It's an all black look, so white sandal can subtly add a little bit of color and break that monotony that is going on with all the black. It's a very comfortable heel. It's like 2 inches, so very easy to walk around, dance around, and it's a very good option if you want to make a statement but still want to look comfortable. This is my most favorite look. It's a very basic combo of a blue jeans and a white shirt, and this is something that almost all of us have, so we don't have to go out there to buy that special outfit for the perfect date. It's a high-waisted jeans, so it really accentuates my natural waistline, and the white shirt goes really well with the blue jeans. And I have paired this outfit with stilettos. If you like, you can wear kitten heels as well. It's a flare jeans, so it also makes the legs look longer. It's a great option, especially if you don't want to show any skin and still want to wear something familiar. I feel investing in a good pair of jeans which will fit you correctly and can last years and years is a good investment. It's also a very practical option for date, especially if it's out of the blue date and you haven't waxed and you don't have time for it. So it's a practical option to go for. I remember a time when I used to schedule my social life according to my waxing schedule, and if something comes out of nowhere and if I haven't done my eyebrows or if I haven't waxed, I used to stay at my house and not leave. The last decade is made of some questionable choices, but now it's like almost opposite. I feel that I go out more when I haven't waxed. It's like I'm a real adult now. Well, maybe it'll be a little bit of stretch there, but at least now I don't get trapped into gender norms, which is really good. So I feel this look has taken a very sharp left turn, so I'm gonna stop talking about body hair. I just thought it's a really good option to not wax and wear this and go out, because it will restrict you to not make any decision that you might won't be happy about it the next day. So yeah, it is a very practical option. Please comment down below if I am the only person who thinks about body hair this much. this is the final outfit. This is a very punk rock, cool chic outfit. This look is very edgy, and this will actually wants you to be more adventurous and go out there and just win the world. These shorts are the right size. You don't have to worry about flashing your butt or worry about anything. It's a very comfortable look. These boots are so hot. It will add to that edginess that you're going for. It's a very great look if you want to stand out and just have fun. You can also pair this look with a bag like this and just, carry it like that cool boss babe and actually carry your stuff without your hands being occupied. This is a great option if you're looking for a fun night out or going for a concert or just a fun day. You might venture into that high stake world of having fun. This is a great outfit if you want to make a strong impression, look cool and add some spice to your fashion. It's a great look for that. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that I was a little helpful to you guys. In the start of the video I told you that I have a little surprise for you guys. So one of my favorite looks, the jeans in a shirt, I will be giving out the perfect jeans to one of you guys. All you have to do is just subscribe, hit the like button and comment down below about what you thought was the best look of the video, and I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram page, so please check that out as well. I will be uploading a new video every Friday, so please subscribe and hit that bell button, and I hope you guys support me in this journey. Thank you so much for watching. Be kind.